So good afternoon to everyone. So in behalf of Brighton Venturers Outfit 1012, we would like to thank the organizers for inviting us in this seminar. And the information that we learned here will be downloaded to the scouting community. And so in the near future, siguro may invite namin sila sa Rupert para makausap yung iba't ibang councils ng scouting. Okay? And likewise, this is another a good opportunity para magamit natin yung social media para sa ikakabuti ng lahat. So, let's say before, ang social media parang negative eh. So, this time, uh, meron tayong positive side in using the social media para maiwasan natin yung, or hindi naman totally maiwasan, makasurvive tayo sa mga emergencies, sa mga disasters na darating pa. And likewise, magagamit natin force multipliers natin yung scouting community para makatulong tayo sa ating community. So, yun lang po. Salamat po.